If you think rich people manage money because they earn more, let me stop you right there. Here's a shocking fact. Over 70% of lottery winners go broke within a few years, while many self-made millionaires started with average salaries under $60,000 a year. So the difference isn't income, it's behavior. And once you see this, you'll never look at your bank account the same way again. Let me ask you something. When money comes in, does it feel like relief or permission to spend? Because that emotional reaction alone explains why most people stay stuck and why the rich quietly pull ahead. Here's the first uncomfortable truth. Wealthy people don't see money as something to enjoy first. They see it as something to deploy. Most people treat their paycheck like a reward for surviving the month. The rich treat it like raw material. That mindset shift changes everything. When money arrives, the average person immediately asks, "What can I buy?" The wealthy ask, "Where can this grow?" This matters because money that isn't assigned a job will always find the worst one: consumption. In the US alone, over $1.3 trillion is spent every year on depreciating items. What the wealthy do instead is decide the destination of every dollar before emotion gets involved: investments, equity, cash flow assets, tax-efficient vehicles. And here's the open loop. Once you master this, spending guilt disappears completely. But there's a deeper rule coming that makes this even more powerful. Now here's something rarely talked about: the rich, separate lifestyle from net worth. Most people tie their identity to what they can show: bigger house, newer car, louder proof. But wealthy money psychology runs on invisibility. Studies show that millionaires are more likely to drive used cars than luxury ones, not because they can't afford more, but because they understand opportunity cost. A $900 monthly car payment invested in index funds earning an average 8% annually becomes over $1 million in 30 years. Most people trade long-term financial freedom for short-term validation. The wealthy delay applause. They keep expenses boring so investments can be exciting. And what's coming next explains why even smart, high-income professionals still mess this up. Here's where things get psychological. The rich automate discipline. Most people believe willpower controls money. It doesn't. Systems do. The wealthy remove decision-making from the process. Investments happen automatically. Savings move before spending. Debt payments are structured, not negotiated emotionally every month. This works because the human brain gets tired. By the end of the day, logic loses to comfort. Automation protects your future self from your present impulses. And in a moment, you'll see how this single habit quietly compounds faster than any side hustle. Finally, the richest mindset of all. The wealthy think in decades, not months. Most people obsess over short-term gains, market noise, and quick wins. The rich obsess over compounding. A $500 monthly investment earning 10% annually turns into roughly $1.1 million over 35 years. No viral trick, no hustle fantasy, just patience multiplied by consistency. They don't chase every opportunity. They protect capital, diversify portfolios, and let time do the heavy lifting. And here's the twist. This approach actually reduces stress because clarity replaces chaos. So if you want to manage money like the rich, stop asking how to earn more and start asking how to think differently. Assign every dollar a role. Separate ego from lifestyle. Automate discipline. Play the long game. When you do this, money stops controlling you and quietly starts working for you. And that transformation, that's real wealth.